how to fix Windows can't connect to this network error in Windows 10 and Windows 11. Windows 10 cannot connect to this network and Windows 11 cannot connect to this error and Windows 10 and Windows 11. First workaround is go to Windows settings. From the left pane, go to network and internet. Scroll down and choose advanced network settings. Again, choose more network adapter options. Here, right click on your network connection and choose properties. Under connect using, choose configure. Again, go to advanced tab from the top menu bar, and here under property section select 802.11t and values should be enabled. Make sure that values is in enabled mode. Also go to wireless mode section. Here you will find two wireless mode section, 5G and 2.4G wireless mode. Select it and select it makes sure that both should be not disabled mode. Both should be enabled mode with a preferred value. And finally, click on OK button. The next workaround to fix this issue is right click on a start button, choose device manager. Here go to network adapter section and right click on your network adapter driver and choose update driver. Next page, choose search automatically for drivers and let the window complete the updating procedure of your driver. The next procedure to solve this issue is, again, right click on start button, choose Windows settings, go to network and internet. Again, go to advanced network settings, more network adapter options. Right click on your network connections, choose properties. Here, disable internet protocol version TCP IPv6 and press OK and check whether your error Windows 10 cannot connect to this network error is resolved or not. If not, go to the next fixes. Again, right click on the start button, choose settings, network and internet, advanced network settings, more network adapter option. Right click on your network connection and disable once and wait for few minutes and again enable your connection. Hopefully your error Windows 10 can't connect to this network error is resolved. That's all.